This is the dodgiest boat ride. This is the dodgiest boat ride I've ever been on in my life. I don't think I'll ever get anything dodgier than this. If I do, then I'll die. So this is it. Bro, this hole ain't a joke. The hole's actually fully sinking the boat. No, the boat's legit. The boat's legit filling up with water. This is not good. This is not good. What the fuck? We're still 40 minutes away from the destination. And we're now in the middle of the ocean. And there's a hole in the boat. He's now using the big, oh my god. His mates told him to move out of the way. He's too pissed. Oh shit, this might actually be